workshop week really brings together people who are planning and operating the grid during this time of rapid change. So it's really a wonderful opportunity for people to come together and learn from their peers. It gives them a time to step back from the day-to-day activities and get together with EPRI researchers and ensure that EPRI research is grounded in the operational reality that they hear from. One striking theme from this week is how aligned everyone is on the challenge, and despite that, how difficult it is to execute on the solution. There's broad alignment on the drivers of risk. What is changing is really the recognition that progress depends not only on developing new solutions and technologies and capabilities, but also ensuring a collaborative, coordinated path forward to make sure that we consider holistic system needs to make sure that we build a safe, reliable, and affordable electric system in the future.